Frick.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chadtronic. And today we're watching some sort of video you guys have sent me quite a few times. Something about some like creepy Elmo toys or something like that. I'm not 100% filled in, but we're gonna give it a watch right here, right now. Let's get into it.
Other people scrambling to get a copy of this book. Brian Martin is with us now. Brian, what is the problem with Potty Time with Elmo?
We actually have the book, and of course, we all with small children recognize this little guy right here. This little red friend is Elmo, of course. He's
Don't let your kids watch it!
With Elmo, I mean, that's pretty straightforward, right? What the heck? I'm genuinely.
know who he is, and they know these sounds. But in some copies of this toilet training book, it's this one button that has parents asking what happened. Here's what Elmo is supposed to say.
Let's try and use the potty.
But several books came with this sound instead.
Who wants to die?
Elmo laughs, ha ha ha, and then he says, "Who wants to die?"
What? 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 Who wants to die? Who wants to die? Really?
Who wants to die?
Oh, okay. I would probably edit that part out.
Bob Hayden says his daughter Alyssa loves everything Sesame Street.
She knows Elmo and Big Bird and all those guys. I don't think she ever heard them say Elmo is coming to kill you on Sesame Street or anything like that.
What? You're telling me you didn't see the episode where Elmo went on a killing spree? You didn't see that one? That was an hour-long special. You missed that? I saw that one. Did you guys see that one? It was a great episode.
I hope it becomes a footnote in history and not something that's commonly done.
The Wendell family knows all